Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer time entries from Clockify to QuickBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your Clockify account and log in. Navigate to the Reports tab on the left-hand side menu. Select the time entries you wish to transfer. Choose the appropriate date range for the entries needed. Click on the Export button, usually found at the top right corner. In the Export options, select the CSV format. Download the CSV file to your computer. Next, open your QuickBooks account and log in. Navigate to the File menu located in the upper left corner. Select Import from the drop-down menu. Choose Excel for the import format. If prompted, select the appropriate file type. Locate and select the CSV file you downloaded from Clockify. Follow the on-screen prompts to map your CSV fields to QuickBooks categories. Ensure that all fields are correctly aligned before proceeding. Once the mapping is complete, click on the Next button. Review the import summary and confirm that everything appears correct. Click the Import button to transfer your time entries into QuickBooks. Wait for the confirmation message indicating the import is successful. Check your QuickBooks timesheet or reports to verify that entries have been added correctly. If there are any discrepancies, revisit the mapping process to ensure accuracy. You're now ready to manage your time entries within QuickBooks efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.